Airbags are safety devices designed to protect occupants of a vehicle during a collision. They are part of a vehicle's supplemental restraint system which works in conjunction with seat belt to enhance safety. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Electrical and Electronics Knowledge. Friends, today we will learn how airbags works in cars. So let's get started. First of all, we need to know what are airbags. Airbags are inflatable cushions built into various parts of a vehicle, such as the steering wheel, dashboard, seats, and sometimes even in the doors or roof. They are designed to deploy in the event of a significant collision to cushion and protect occupants from striking interior parts of a vehicle. Now let's go to the next point. How do airbags work? In airbags, there are some components like sensors, control unit, triggering deployment, inflator, airbag deployment, post deployment. These all components have their specific work. Let's look this one by one. Number 1, sensors. Airbags rely on a network of sensors placed throughout the vehicle. This sensor can detect sudden impact forces. Number 2, control unit. The sensors can send data to the airbag control unit, which analyzes the information to determine if a collision sharp enough to warrant airbag deployment has occurred. Number 3, triggering deployment. If the SU determines that a collision is severe enough, it sends an electrical signal to the airbag inflator. Number 4, inflator. The inflator contains a chemical propellant undergoes a rapid chemical reaction that produces a large volume of gas. This gas inflates the airbags within milliseconds. Number 5, airbag deployment. The airbag bursts out of its storage compartment and inflates in front of the occupant. The airbag's fabric is designed to deflate slightly upon impact to provide a cushioning effect and reduce the risk of injury from the airbag itself. Number 6, post deployment. After deployment, the gas quickly dissipates through small vents in the airbag material and the airbag deflates, allowing occupants to exit the vehicle. Friends, from long time I have not uploaded any video due to some personal issue, but from now you will get my videos regularly. So friends, please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Don't forget to like.